to send pictures on Character AI mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send pictures on Character AI in your mobile device. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Character AI, and after that you will be landed to the official website of Character AI, and after that just simply click on the login section from the top right and simply go ahead and log into your account. And once you are logged in into your account, just select the character that you would want to chat in the chat box right here. You will get lots of recommendation, and you can also scroll down and see the featured character that are there that you can talk to. You can see the helpers, you can see the anime game characters, and there are so many options to choose from. So for example, I'm choosing this anime from the characters that are there in the Character AI. And after that, just go ahead and select the character that you like the most and you would want to chat with. For example, I want to chat with this particular character right here. And now, if you want to send the pictures to this character while talking to the character, just click on the plus icon right beside the chat section at the bottom. Just click on it, and here you have two options. Either you can create an image, then send to the character that you are talking to, or you can also go ahead and upload the picture from your device to send to this particular character. So just click on upload image, and after that just choose a file from your device. Just go ahead and choose the file, and after that just simply click on attach image. And once the image is added in the upload section, just click on attach image, and the image will be attached in this particular chat right here, and then you will be able to send it properly. So this is basically how you will be able to send pictures on Character AI mobile. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.